Extreme weather continues to hit both coasts. Californians are getting slammed by an atmospheric river, bringing heavy rain to an already flooded region. More than 18 million people are under flooded alerts. Rescue operations are underway after a levee breach in Monterey County. And in New England, the season's first nor'easter has more than 20 million people under winter alerts. Before it's done, it could drop more than a foot of snow. And hearing about that, Diminis, I'm not going to complain anymore about the fact that it's just not 80 degrees
Exactly.
when I want it to be, right?
That would be nice to have 80 degrees right now, but here we go. It feels a lot like winter out there, right? As we take a look outside over Frisco, you'll see the clouds kind of blowing us around just a bit more, and yeah, you'll see the flags there. How about some spotty rain in your forecast and cool weather for today? And we have severe thunderstorms in your forecast. At least the potential in your Thursday is a weather alert. Now, as we go through the day, we could see a few showers, mainly spotty at times, and temperatures in the upper 50s as we go through the afternoon. And then you'll see temperatures about 53 by 9 o'clock under mostly clear to partly cloudy skies. Not much happening here on First Alert Radar right now. We extend the image out. We've got some clouds that will be moving in as well. Some showers towards central Texas and a few showers toward the Red River. And some of that wet weather might head in our direction over the next couple of hours. So as we look at futurecast here hour by hour, you'll notice some of these showers might sneak in from the Red River and impact some of us with a few spotty showers from time to time, even toward 5:30 this afternoon. And that's about it. We're not talking about thunderstorms. We're not talking about severe weather. And we'll likely have partly cloudy skies overnight. Then, heads up. Widespread rain for your Thursday, even some thunderstorms, and we could have some large hail, damaging winds, and even isolated tornadoes as a strong cold front pushes toward our area. Already from the Storm Prediction Center, we have a level 2 risk of seeing some strong and severe thunderstorms. It includes all of the Metroplex, mainly by afternoon and evening for your Thursday. So let's have a plan of action as we're looking ahead toward your Thursday. Look at Futurecast. This is a Thursday morning here, mainly dry very early in the day. As we push toward the middle part of the day, we could have some thunderstorms already cooking up here. So let's be weather aware. That's the forecast toward 11 o'clock in the morning. You'll see wet weather over portions of Parker County, even portions of Wise County, moving toward the Metroplex, and that's toward 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Then a bit more widespread showers and thunderstorms here toward 5:30 in the afternoon, toward Dallas and even McKinney and farther to the east as that line continues pushing in that direction. So again, some heavy rain, thunder, lightning, even the potential for isolated tornadoes. We really need to check the forecast over the next couple of days for any fine tuning, and of course we're going to do that. How much rain could we see? This model saying we could see about an inch or two in a few spots, and so that could cause some localized flooding here and there as well. So once we look ahead in the forecast, we have showers and storms for your Thursday. Cold front passes by. We're looking at the morning temperatures here going from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. These are numbers that are going to be very cold, maybe even close to freezing as we head toward Friday morning. And of course, Friday is St. Patrick's Day. Some of the coldest St. Patrick's days on record here. You'll notice the coldest ever, 1906 at 35 degrees. How about this, 1941 at 42 degrees. We're going to be pretty chilly, all right, for your Friday morning at least, and for your Saturday morning, Sunday morning there's too as well. But as you look at the high temperatures, how about the low and mid 50s? So we're going to be going up and down with the temperatures for the next several days. 75 for Thursday, down to 52 for Friday, 55 degrees for highs on your Saturday, and about 53 for your Sunday, Karen.